Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily and in today's video I have a super fun and big project to share with you. I will be using the 3D Locker die set from Scrap Diva Design, and this is a big box and it will actually fit into your standard machine, so no worries, you can definitely use this one. And probably if you have a smaller machine you might be able to use it as well, because these panels are slimline size, so you just need to run it a couple of times through to get the whole thing cut. I looked at my pattern papers in my stash and I tried to find something that had good colors that I liked and were a little bit Valentine themed. So I found this beautiful old paper that I had in my stash for a couple of years and I thought it would be perfect. And you can see the hearts are going in one direction and the flower pattern is just sort of going in any direction. So I decided that the pieces that I have to have in the right way, the box sides, then that one I need to cut first, and then the door that I know I needed or wanted to have in the flower pattern I could cut in any direction. So that is how I made all of these pieces fit on top of a standard, what am I saying, on top of a 12 by 12 paper, and just cut it out a couple of times. And this box is really easy to put together. You can see the part I'm using now, that's actually the front of our locker, and I am attaching everything to it because this was the flimsiest part, the one with the least amount of paper. So I wanted to make sure that this is really sturdy. So I decided to go ahead and attach everything to it rather than doing it the opposite side first and then coming back to this one. I'm using my Sweet Petunia glue press here, and here I had to check so I didn't glue my heart pattern to the wrong at the wrong side, and I did, so I needed to go back and attach it once more so it was in the right direction. So now you can see I have my frame that will be on the front and our two sides, and then I can start attaching the other sides. And I started with the bottom so I know how much space I would have. And you can see how pretty this locker will be with all of those flowers inside. So I really love all of these colors. They are really my colors, the teal and the blue and the white and the cream colors. I just love it. And here is the back piece that we will attach, starting at the bottom and then working my way up here, making sure that I'm taking one side here with adhesive and then the other side. Goes super fast when I'm using the glue press here. Just fibbling so I have it inside. Sorry, I'm a little bit off camera. As I said, this box is a pretty large one. It's slimline sized, so it's a good size. You can definitely fit a lot inside of this one. Making sure all the sides are well pressed down before I move on. And if you prefer another medium, for example, you could use tape or hot glue. I'm not a fan of those mediums, so I prefer my liquid glue, but you can definitely use them as well. And here is the door. And at the first, I thought I would attach it to the inside of my locker, but in the end, I decided it was easier to just have it at the outside. And since I am having that teal colored paper, it doesn't matter if it's on the inside or the outside. And I also wanted a little shelf in my box or my locker here, so I will figure out how I will attach all of that. And in previous videos I have created all of these embellishments and I wanted some more as well, so I will create this really cute clip. This is the heart-shaped paper clip, and they are also you can also make shakers out of them, so that is really fun. I also used that heart cherry that was released this month, and this is the Valentine word tags. I have been using this a lot. I love it. It's the perfect size, and for this one I used the friend. I thought that would be super cute, and you can see I'm stacking my paper here just to make my friend die cut be more like an embellishment. And you can see I had love as well, and then I have friend. But I will only use friend for this card. I thought the back of the locker needed some attention, so I looked through my stash and I found this doily. and this is really not my style, so I don't know why I did this, but I did, and I think it turned out okay. It's, as I said, not really my style, but I think it's cute enough. You can see I had a beautiful lacy heart. I really wanted to use that one. It's super cute, and it comes from the suitcase tag die set, and I have to come back and create some more with that one because it's a fun one. I had some, this is the part where I'm meaning it's not my style. It's like a chipboard piece, and I haven't used them in ages, so I'm glad I looked through my stash and used it because it was a super cute image. I just haven't had a project for it, so I'm glad that I finally used it. So for being able to close my locker, this is the door. It's a die that comes in this set that I cut out a couple of times. I took a magnet and put it inside of that little handle and had it to the inside of the locker. And then I will do the same thing here with the outside. And to be able, I'm sorry I'm a little bit off camera, to be able to do this correctly, I just fitted the magnet so it attached to the back. And then I know the placement, and I can do the same thing here and just attach this to the panel. And I will cut another one to layer this up with around the magnet, and you can see it fits perfectly. And then I can just go ahead and attach it. You can see how cute that is. I also have a little book in there. You will see it in a second here. But it really is strong, and it holds the door perfectly closed. Sorry about that. Here comes the best part, and that is the embellishment part. It's always the thing I'm looking most forward with when I'm creating cards or projects like this. So I took my little sherry and I had my little label, and you can see in the back there I had a pearl that I created a while back, and I really wanted to fit this on top of this project. So I took out my jewelry kit and I just tried to fibble around this little ring. And then I attached everything to the beautiful clip. So we'll have this to the top, and you could take it off and the recipient can use it on something else, another project if they like. I just thought it was super cute. I will also attach a little small heart to the front here. So yeah, it's super easy and really cute. So now I will give you an overview of how this project came together. So you can see we have our magnet there really holding our door tightly, and we have our clip and the embellishment. And off camera I attached some butterflies to the sides, so you can see here how everything looks. I have some butterflies to that side and some to the other side just to tie everything together. We have our back with the girl, and then we have we can take this off and we can open up, and you could put something in here for the recipient. I just have my shelf and a little book. This is a piece of ephemera that I found in my stash that has been left in here since I created this box. I just will be leaving it in there because it's so cute. So that pretty much finished off this project. I hope you enjoyed this video and got inspired to create something with the new products from Scrap Diva Designs. I will have my coupon code down below if you like to use it. It gives you 10% off the entire Scrap Diva Designs shop, I believe. So you can go check that out, and I will also have links to all the products that I used in this video. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you soon. Bye!